Alright, hey guys, Ben here. We're at the workbench today, as you can see. So, I work at a gun store and I get a lot of questions, or it's really a store that sells guns. Anyways, I get a lot of questions all the time about this little cable lock you get in your gun case. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it because it's a question that comes up a lot. If you don't have a gun safe, this is probably your best option to secure your firearm. I'd still recommend getting an actual gun safe that is easy access. But if you don't have one of those, or you're storing the firearm for a long period of time, like you're going on vacation or something, this is a good option. So, let me show you how to use it. Basically, you're going to unlock the lock back here, pull the cable out, like so. So you have this little dangly pit. This pistol is unloaded, as you can tell. Nothing in the chamber. Magazine is out of the firearm, which you need to do this for it to work. Take your cable lock, you're going to slide it through the ejection port, like so. And it's going to come through the bottom, through the magazine well. And just take your lock. This is going to be interesting to do it one-handed. You'll take your lock, put it in, and then you would turn the lock. There we go. Turn the lock. Take the keys out. Put those somewhere safe, and then your firearm is pretty much locked. So you can't put a magazine in it with the cable in it. You can't lock the slide, close the chamber around. That is how you would secure your firearm with the cable lock. Hope this helps, and hope to see you guys again soon.